I eat an egg for breakfast.
I eat an egg for breakfast.
She cooked 2 eggs for me.
She cooked 2 eggs for me.
I have 8 books on my desk.
I have 8 books on my desk.
School starts at 8 in the morning.
School starts at 8 in the morning.
My brother is 18 years old.
My brother is 18 years old.
There are 18 students in our class.
There are 18 students in our class.
My grandmother is 80 years old.
My grandmother is 80 years old.
The book has 80 pages.
The book has 80 pages.
The elephant is a very big animal.
The elephant is a very big animal.
I saw an elephant at the zoo.
I saw an elephant at the zoo.
I go to bed at 11 at night.
I go to bed at 11 at night.
There are 11 players on the team.
There are 11 players on the team.
What else do you need?
What else do you need?
Is there anyone else in the room?
Is there anyone else in the room?
I will send you an email tomorrow.
I will send you an email tomorrow.
Did you get my email?
Did you get my email?
The movie will end at 10.
The movie will end at 10.
I live at the end of this street.
I live at the end of this street.
I enjoy reading books at night.
I enjoy reading books at night.
Did you enjoy the party?
Did you enjoy the party?
Do we have enough food for everyone?
Do we have enough food for everyone?
This room is big enough for us.
This room is big enough for us.
This shirt costs 20 euro.
This shirt costs 20 euro.
I have 50 euro in my bag.
I have 50 euro in my bag.
She works even on weekends.
She works even on weekends.
I cannot even swim a little.
I cannot even swim a little.
I watch TV in the evening.
I watch TV in the evening.
Good evening and welcome to our home.
Good evening and welcome to our home.
The party was a big event.
The party was a big event.
What time does the event start?
What time does the event start?
Have you ever been to Paris?
Have you ever been to Paris?
This is the best food I ever ate.
This is the best food I ever ate.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
She calls her mother every day.
She calls her mother every day.
Everybody in my class is friendly.
Everybody in my class is friendly.
Does everybody have a pen?
Does everybody have a pen?
Everyone is welcome to the party.
Everyone is welcome to the party.
I said hello to everyone.
I said hello to everyone.
I put everything in my bag.
I put everything in my bag.
Is everything okay with you?
Is everything okay with you?
I have a big exam at school today.
I have a big exam at school today.
The math exam was very hard for me.
The math exam was very hard for me.
Please look at the example on the board.
Please look at the example on the board.
This is a good example of his work.
This is a good example of his work.
I am very excited about the party.
I am very excited about the party.
The children are excited to see the zoo.
The children are excited to see the zoo.
The football game was very exciting.
The football game was very exciting.
It is an exciting book to read.
It is an exciting book to read.
I do exercise every morning before breakfast.
I do exercise every morning before breakfast.
Walking is good exercise for your legs.
Walking is good exercise for your legs.
That car is very expensive to buy.
That car is very expensive to buy.
I do not like expensive clothes.
I do not like expensive clothes.
Can you explain the answer to me?
Can you explain the answer to me?
The teacher will explain the lesson now.
The teacher will explain the lesson now.
Do you have an extra pen for me?
Do you have an extra pen for me?
I need extra time to finish the work.
I need extra time to finish the work.
Something is in my left eye.
Something is in my left eye.
Close your right eye, please.
Close your right eye, please.
She washes her face every morning.
She washes her face every morning.
He has a smile on his face.
He has a smile on his face.
It is a fact that water is wet.
It is a fact that water is wet.
Tell me one interesting fact about animals.
Tell me one interesting fact about animals.
Be careful or you will fall.
Be careful or you will fall.
Leaves fall from the trees in autumn.
Leaves fall from the trees in autumn.
The answer to the question is false.
The answer to the question is false.
Is this sentence true or false?
Is this sentence true or false?
I love my family very much.
I love my family very much.
My family lives in a big house.
My family lives in a big house.
He is a very famous singer.
He is a very famous singer.
This city is famous for its food.
This city is famous for its food.
The food at the party was fantastic.
The food at the party was fantastic.
We had a fantastic time on holiday.
We had a fantastic time on holiday.
Is your house far from the school?
Is your house far from the school?
We cannot walk because it is too far.
We cannot walk because it is too far.
My uncle lives on a big farm.
My uncle lives on a big farm.
We saw many cows at the farm.
We saw many cows at the farm.
The farmer works hard in the field.
The farmer works hard in the field.
A farmer grows food for us to eat.
A farmer grows food for us to eat.
That red car is very fast.
That red car is very fast.
Please do not drive too fast.
Please do not drive too fast.
The cat is fat and sleeps all day.
The cat is fat and sleeps all day.
I do not like to eat fat meat.
I do not like to eat fat meat.
My father works in an office.
My father works in an office.
I gave a present to my father.
I gave a present to my father.
Red is my favorite color.
Red is my favorite color.
What is your favorite food to eat?
What is your favorite food to eat?
I feel happy when I see my friends.
I feel happy when I see my friends.
Do you feel sick today?
Do you feel sick today?
I have a good feeling about this.
I have a good feeling about this.
Hunger is not a nice feeling.
Hunger is not a nice feeling.
We went to a music festival yesterday.
We went to a music festival yesterday.
The town has a big festival every year.
The town has a big festival every year.
I have a few friends in this city.
I have a few friends in this city.
There are a few apples on the table.
There are a few apples on the table.
She is 15 years old today.
She is 15 years old today.
The bus arrives in 15 minutes.
The bus arrives in 15 minutes.
This is my 5th time here.
This is my 5th time here.
He lives on the 5th floor.
He lives on the 5th floor.
My grandfather is 50 years old.
My grandfather is 50 years old.
The coat costs $50.
The coat costs $50. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.